Ladies and gentlemen, we're happy to try to answer that question. $3 billion in debt repayment. That's where the money went. Record tax reductions in the province. That's where the money went. $6 billion in infrastructure investments across this province over the last 7 years compared to $3 billion in the 7 years that preceded our government. That's where the money went. 400 more doctors practicing in Saskatchewan. That's where the money went. 2,600 more nurses of every designation working across this province. That's where the money went. A surgical wait times initiative that can cost between $70 and $100 million each and every year to take us from the longest surgical waiting lists in the country to the shortest ones in the country. That's where the money went. Every one of these areas, there is more to do. But make no mistake, there's an answer to the question where the money went, and more importantly, we are no longer asking the question we used to ask in this province, which was, where did all the kids go?